In this video, Kate creates a low-maintenance, layered look on our model Louisa. She begins by establishing the internal lengths, then creates a small guide to ensure precision. Section 1 is combed out from its base horizontally. The vertical lengths decrease towards the centre, then increase as they move downwards. From section 2 onwards, the horizontal lengths increase towards the ear. Section 1 remains in the same position, while section 2 is directed towards it to be cut. Section 1 remains in the same position, while section 2 is directed towards it to be cut. Sections 3, 4, 5 and 6 follow the same method. As Kate progresses through each section, she maintains the same vertical position to create a well-connected shape. This technique removes weight from the top to the bottom of the zone, while preserving length from the centre back to just behind the ear. To retain length and weight at the front, Kate disconnects a zone over the ear, following the natural shape of Louisa's hairline. On dry hair, Kate works to define the external length. In the back, the hair is combed to its natural fall. The sides are directed left horizontally, creating a subtle increase in length towards the front. Using a pointing technique, Kate softens the ends from the occipital bone and above. She then moves to the circular zone at the top of the head. She creates a guide for reference. Section 1 is cut horizontally out from its base. The vertical lengths remain consistent up to the crown and increase towards the front. The horizontal lengths increase towards the last section. Sections 2, 3 and 4 are all cut to the guide established in section 1. Zone 2 covers the shorter lengths from zone 1, giving the overall look a longer, more manageable feel. For a blendable, soft fringe, Kate increases the length from the centre outwards to the sides of the zone. The hair is dried to its natural texture using a diffuser and styled with gentle texturizing spray. Here is the finished look on Louisa. Thank you for watching.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
idea. And then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.